INSTASIZE AI photo editor. So here is the app with over 100 million creators. INSTASIZE is the complete photo editor plus crop made just for you. Easily edit and resize photos or videos with premium photo filters, presets, cropping, and color editing tools. Quickly combine images to make a fun, one-of-a-kind photo collage layout. Resize and crop your photo or video to fit perfectly on any social platform, including Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, Twitter. Easily expand and crop your image to fit any aspect. Cutting-edge AI to generate pixels. Perfect for eliminating white borders, object removal, free photo editor, resize and crop, background removal, batch edit. So super powerful app built by INSTASIZE Inc. Amazing app, yet again, just to build perfect photos for Instagram. And yeah, so really cool. Let's just open it up. So $12 per month only, so that's what you have. Then there is like some limited free version. So let's just, for example, try with some template photo. So for example, here is like a template photo, women, and then there is the INSTASIZE Premium. It again asks me to upgrade. So seems so here you can just try to expand, for example, the photo just to see the example. So here, as you can see, yeah, it's really expanding like few inches on the left and right, so you can't even notice it. All right, that's kind of, that's one of the features it can do. You can remove background, but here you don't have background. You can add some color, for example, all kind of like features which you can do, remove objects, some another filters, themes, layouts, collages, everything you need to do, like super easy to use app, which you can just use in here. Unfortunately, yeah, you need to upgrade for that. And then here it is. And that's what you have in here. Then you have three dots. So collage maker, image resizer, background, batch edit, caption generator, wallpaper maker. And then here is, you can get a referral link, get premium for free by inviting friends. So here is, you can try to use my code INSTASIZE, use my referral link to quickly, and we both get 30 days of premium. So pretty good deal, to be honest. So feel free to use my INSTASIZE referral link and we both get premium. So that's basically what it is. So try it out. You get in 30 days of premium. So quite a good deal. I think they have a really nice referral program. So yeah, I definitely will copy it out. And that's the idea. So that's how you can get it. So try it out.